Before you even think about buying the Hapeaster Sky Dreamer, there's something you seriously need to know because this product isn't as straightforward as it looks online. The Hapeaster Sky Dreamer has been getting a lot of attention lately, so I analyzed it in depth, from its features to real customer feedback and the credibility of the website selling it, and the results are honestly mixed. On the positive side, the concept is appealing and the design looks modern and eye-catching, which makes it attractive for people looking for something unique or visually impressive. Some users also report that it performs decently when used under the right conditions, which shows it's not completely useless. However, once you go deeper, a few concerns start to appear. Several reviews point out inconsistencies in performance, with some buyers saying it doesn't fully match the expectations set by the marketing. There are also mentions of delayed shipping and customer service that isn't always responsive, which raises a bit of a red flag when you're spending your money online. Another thing I noticed is that the official website feels somewhat generic, which is often something you want to be cautious about when evaluating newer or trending products. That said, it doesn't automatically mean it's a scam. It just means you need to be more careful before making a decision. So overall, the Hapeaster Sky Dreamer sits somewhere in the middle, not a clear scam, but not a guaranteed win either, and whether it's worth it really depends on how much risk you're willing to take and how high your expectations are.